Hey everybody, so this is my LiveBinder for this semester. My first tab is collaborative and cooperative teaching. My first sub-tab is the video on supporting differentiated learning. The second one is collaborating online and in school. Then we have the co-teaching part 1 and part 2 videos. Then we have this lady's story about how she made co-teaching work with another teacher, some strategies that she used. I just thought that may be a beneficial resource to look at. This is something I found about. It discusses the power of collaboration, like some of the benefits that our students get from it, building relationships, responsibility. Next, I have the benefits of collaboration. Talks about creative minds and teaching you about yourself and helping your students succeed. Then we have inclusive classrooms with the introduction to special education, the introduction to IDEA, the website with the benefits of the inclusion classroom. And I found this that has some strategies. I thought this was really cool. It kind of goes into the environment, materials you can use, things like that. And then this is a resource that I found that gives some advice for like adjusting to your students with IEPs and some tips with that. So the triple P is the policies, processes, and practices. First thing is the cascade model, then the video from class, then I have the Prezi and the IEP components. Then we have the video, the 8 components of an IEP. Then I found this, which I think could be something that we could share with parents that could be beneficial for them. Kind of gives the main parts of an IEP. And then this is the placement PowerPoint. The next tab I have is RTI, so response to intervention. This is the tiered approach video. The what is RTI? This video on database decision making, which was my favorite one. Helping students succeed. This man talks about this school that he's at. I like those little stories. Kind of motivational. Then this is really good that I found. This is a breakdown of some tier 1 strategies, some tier 2 strategies, and tier 3 strategies. So that's just chock full of information. Next, we have differentiated instruction, starting with Marzano's 9 strategies. You can follow the link to that. Then we have the PowerPoint from class, the video on what is differentiation. Then I found this video on differentiated instruction. The next tab is learning barriers. So, physical barriers, things students encounter physically in the classroom. Then you have pedagogical barriers, which this is the link to the thing about Tim's story. But this just has to do with how you're teaching the information to your students. This is a video about overcoming things in the classroom with universal design. This is something I found to promote success. You can do it in a teacher mode or share it with your parents and they can look at it in parent view. So this kind of talks about overcoming the barriers in the learning environment. Then I found this nice little video about overcoming the barriers, so it just kind of talks about it in a general way. Then we have universal design. So what is UDL? This is the web page that talks about that with the UDL at a glance video. There's the worksheet that we were provided with. Some more guidelines from CAST. Then I found this web page. We can click this and go to it. Well, that talks about some strategies. Then here's a video on universal design that I like. I really learned a lot this year in this class. I was able to soak in a lot of the information and retain it and learn a lot, and I'm ready to get in the classroom and start implementing some of this. I hope you all had a good semester. Have a great Christmas.